if you've been trying for a while to up-level your life, to manifest the life that you dream of, but you notice that your nervous system keeps getting activated and it keeps you stuck in your old reality, well, then you're in the right place. Because during this video, I'm going to explain why that happens, and I'm also going to give you just a couple of techniques to actually counteract all of this that I'm about to tell you, so you can move out of the reality that you find yourself in and into the reality that you choose to experience. So why then does it sometimes feel like our nervous system and our body is just working against us? So no matter what thoughts we've got going on in our head, no matter the story that we try to tell ourselves to be true about us, which, you know, this is the core message of manifestation, we find that we're still getting triggered. We're still experiencing that tension, that knee-jerk reaction to contract and put our fists up, right? And the reason for that is because somewhere along the line, your body, your little human, learned that it was safer to be in protective mode all of the time. It got used to it. When you wake up stressed and go to bed stressed, that becomes your new normal. And moving out of that normal, no matter how uncomfortable it is even more uncomfortable for your nervous system. You see, your nervous system is always there to protect you, and it protects you by becoming a prediction machine, by looking at what's about to happen and responding to that situation before you even consciously understand what's happening. So it recognizes where you are, and because your subconscious is always just a little bit ahead of your conscious thought patterns or your conscious understanding of your situation, your subconscious will respond to a perceived danger before you've cognitively even recognized that there's any kind of an issue. So our subconscious has familiarity with this heightened stressed state, yeah? And anything other than that, even if it is actually safer, feels unsafe because it doesn't have the same familiarity. I used to work with somebody who was addicted to chaos, absolutely addicted to chaos. I think they were an army brat or something like that growing up. So every few months, their whole lives would be upended as their father or mother, I can't remember which, was deployed to work in a different part of the country or a different part of the world. They grew up in this state of perpetual chaos, just getting settled, everything being upended again, back into boxes, back into moving, back into not knowing where they're going, only to repeat that cycle again. So just getting settled, but not quite, and then it all blows up again. They found safety in the chaos. And that's the same pattern that played out in their business. So every time their business got to be more settled, got to be more stable, when the income levels were more predictable, they would blow it all up to create the same sort of chaos that felt safest. It wasn't what they wanted. Cognitively, they really wanted the stability. They really wanted that predictable income. But their subconscious nervous system was addicted to the chaos. We get addicted to the adrenaline. We get addicted to the dopamine hits that we actually get from the stress. Yeah. So being in a state of consciousness, a state of nervous system relaxation, maybe that feels really awkward to you. Maybe it doesn't feel as safe as it should do, right? Because you've lived so long in this state of heightened stress that doing nothing feels unsafe. Resting doesn't feel good, even though your body is crying out for you to do so. I've been there, this is how I burned out. I refused to slow down. I refused to not work. I refuse to listen to my body, to everything that my body is telling me. So if we know that manifestation in its purest, easiest, simplest forms happen best when we are predominantly in a parasympathetic state, parasympathetic nervous system state. That's the state of rest and digest and recovery, and receptivity. When we are in that state, when we are in this calm, stable, just blissful state of being, if that's our predominant state, then manifestations flow to us way more easily because we don't have our dukes up, right? We don't have our guard up. But if you're used to being in a state of chaos, if you're used to being stressed out, then your sympathetic nervous system is locked on. But like I say, when you try and unlock it, when you try and move from the sympathetic state to the parasympathetic state, from the fight or flight state to the rest and digest state, our body will freak out. And it will. Trust me. Like I say, this has been my story. I used to work 36 hours on the trot because I was such a control freak and such a perfectionist and all of the things. I was stressed out all the time, even when I didn't realize how stressed I was. Because sometimes you don't even notice, do you? You're just like this for so long that your shoulders just feel naturally like they should be up here. But so when you go like this and you go, oh gosh, never realized my neck was so long. It can feel new. And new to your nervous system is danger, and they don't like that. So take it in little tiny steps, just tiny steps every day. In the 14-day mini course that I've got in the membership, these are tiny, tiny micro steps that people are taking every day, and they are feeling differently. They feel so much lighter. They feel more expanded, and they're little tiny steps, So one thing that you can do today is join the membership, one thing. Or if you don't want to do that, then you don't have to do that. We are still producing all of these videos for you on the main channel. One thing that you can do today is to just give yourself a hug. Give yourself a hug. Breathe into your tummy. Just do this with me, if you can. Don't do it if you're driving. Just breathe into your tummy, close your eyes, and give yourself a squeeze. This sends a somatic signal to your body that you are, in fact, safe, and it is okay to be here. And if you practice that, if you just hold that position for 3 minutes, you can do this throughout your day. If you just hold yourself, give yourself a squeeze, breathe into your tummy rather than your chest, because oftentimes when we feel really stressed or panicky, we do shallow breathing into our chest. So we don't want to do that. We want to, if you notice that you're doing this shallow breathing into your chest, then make sure that you go, oh, okay, no, I'm breathing into my chest. Let's breathe into my stomach instead. And when you breathe into your stomach, you'll notice just how big your lung capacity is. Because if you're really stressed out, I guarantee that you're using half of your lung capacity. And trust me, breathing air is really good for your mental function. So just try that, Try just holding yourself, breathing into your tummy. Just do it 3 minutes, If you're in a busy office, then just pop to the loo or just, sit at your desk behind your computer. Just breathe for just a couple of minutes. Every hour. You will be amazed at the difference it will make to you. Now, this is obviously the work that I do with my private clients. In my signature program, they are typically 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs, and leaders in their field who have reached a plateau or who are feeling burned out, but they know that there is so much more out there. I help you to get that without the burnout or imposter syndrome or anything like that. The link to join me on a call is in the description, along with the link to join the monthly workshops that I do, which are very, very affordable, and of course the membership that I also have now. So however you want to work with me, whether that's privately, whether that's in the monthly workshops, whether that's in the membership, or whether that is just by participating in these public videos on YouTube that are accessible to everybody on the planet, know that this is possible for you. Know that getting to the life that you choose is not only possible, but you're just this far away from it. Yeah, we can make it happen together. Like I say, no matter how you choose to work with me, we can make it happen because you are incredible. So please, please always remember that. Alrighty. Now, if you've enjoyed this, you're going to find another video just there that I know you're going to appreciate too. All right, my loves. I'll see you next time. Bye.